I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988. Today I have this very special 2017 Mini Cooper convertible. She's 1.5 petrol automatic, very low mileage, only 32,000, and very high specification. Has the chilly 2-pack and loads of other options. Come on, I'll show you around. This car is in fabulous unmarked condition. Lovely colour, has the upgraded 17 Cosmos 10-spoke black alloys with brand new Bridgestone tyres fitted. Full ivory leather interior in excellent condition. Front fog lights, a really striking car. The fully automated soft top operates with one touch on the button. When the roof is closed, totally waterproof, windproof, very snug, and has the option of just this sunroof opening here. She's a really clean engine bay. Moving the inside, really clean boot. Those fold down rear seats here. Lovely rare optional full leather interior in ivory. Really good condition, front and back. The door cards, so there's nice black contrasting trim. 4 electric windows here, electric mirrors, central locking. She's automatic lights. Full leather steering wheel. Controls here for the stereo and the telephone, and the cruise control. She's automatic wipers as well. Just the 35,000 miles showing. And here we have a large screen for the stereo, reversing camera, the sat nav. She's dual climate control. The automatic here with sports and economy mode switch. Comes with a full book pack, both keys. Let's go for a little drive. Car starts on this retro style flick switch, reminiscent of those fitted to the original Minis back years ago. Surprisingly spacious cabin. The windscreen set well away from you here, giving this feeling of space. Very good visibility. Really comfortable car. Nice leather steering wheel, fully leather interior. We have the feature here on the gear shifts around. Put it into sport mode. Comes up on the screen here, maximum go-kart feel. That's what this car is all about. It's about having a little bit of fun. Put it back into normal, and then we have an eco mode here as well. Low consumption driving fun mode. Conventional automatic gearbox. She handles really well, this car. Very flat handling around the corners. Takes the speed ramps with ease as well. The air conditioning blows ice cold. A lovely sound system with multiple speakers. And the main thing you feel about this car is how snug it is. You don't realise you're driving a convertible when the roof is up. There's no wind noise. It's lovely and warm. Totally weatherproof. Really well built car. Price of this lovely Mini Cabriolet is €25,950. Has an NCT till 3rd 23. Very proud to be the #1 rated car dealer on Trustpilot in Ireland today. Free delivery nationwide to your door.